Are you ready? Hello, my name is Charisse and this is Let's See It. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing on the Royal Treasure Chest. This box is amazing. This small business is a husband and wife team who go all over the East Coast looking at estate sales and antique shops and stuff, trying to find special little items to put in these boxes for all of us that subscribe. And so that means nobody's box is the same. Everyone's box is special and different and right out of history. So if you're a history lover, if you're a vintage lover, antique lover, whatever you like, just getting surprises in general, please consider this box because it is absolutely wonderful. The information is down below for you to go and subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel so you can see my future videos where I do more unboxings of all different kinds. But enough about that. Let's get into this amazing box. So, the first thing I see when I open my box is this little surprise, and I'm completely intrigued because it has very, very fine postscripts all over this postcard that was mailed in 1907 to a Miss Bertha McGabe. And I just am so curious to know what he wrote or she wrote. I just have no idea, but I really want to know. So sometime I'm going to try to decipher what that is. I also have a personalized note from the company, so I will enjoy reading that on my own time. And also there's a little note here that's a description of where they picked up the items that are in my box. So just to give you a tiny taste of how special this is, it says, the house was a small one-story bungalow brick home built in the 1930s or 1940s. We saw no sign of there having been children in this family. All of the items belonged to either the husband and wife, their parents, or family before them. The first thing that we have is this individually wrapped little tissue here. And when I dive into it, it is a absolutely gorgeous little scarf. I love it. I love scarves. I don't wear them enough, but I need to. This scarf is perfect because you can use it as a headband or you can wear it around your neck. So I am going to wear it on my neck to just give you a little bit of something special. Here we go. All ready. All right. Next, I am going to open this package here, and inside it is some beautiful earrings. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at these little, oh, my grandma had some like this. They have the screw backs on them. Do you see how cool that is? Can you imagine wearing those somewhere fancy and seeing them sparkle? Or what about these gorgeous metal globes? They look like military buttons, don't they? Put one on. It'll go really well with my butterfly barrette. They still stick on pretty good considering how old they are. Yeah, I very much enjoy those. And the other pair I got are these gorgeous, beautiful flower motif costume jewelry. So with these, you could even, if you wanted to, use them as lapel brooches, or you can use them as earrings, but they are very special. So I wouldn't want to do something too crazy because I don't want to have them get ruined. Okay, so next package. Very carefully wrapped in bubble wrap are these little bottles. They're so tiny. Look how big they are. They're smaller than my pinky. And this one is a Vicks Drops. Did you even know Vicks Drops came in something like that? This one is a Bromo Seltzer, Emerson Drug Company from Baltimore. Ooh, Baltimore. And then this little bottle, who knows what could have come in that, but it's very cool that it has, the glass has little bubbles in it, so it must be old. And then in this package, I love it. They're postcards. Lots of postcards. Look, this one is from sent in 1925. I can't read the writing, unfortunately. Maybe I can study it and learn it better. Here's one sent in 1924. I've been there. Have you been to the big giant sequoias in the Sequoia National Park in California? I actually been inside this tree right here where this old car is. Someone had a great vacation. This one was sent in 1925 as well. Yes, I'm definitely going to have some fun trying to read these postcards and capture these little secrets that are from long, long ago. But the most wonderful item that I have in this entire box is this. This is a hardbound book called Riley Love Lyrics. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's in very, very good condition. And it is from, was printed in 1899. It's in this, every single page is this very high quality glossy paper. So this book costs a lot of money. And this person gave this book to his lover, who apparently was Miss Eleanor Fisher. And this lucky woman gained this beautiful book and kept it as a special thing. And I am so, so happy that I have this now, and I am going to get to enjoy this book for so many years in the future. So I will definitely be keeping this in my collection of books. And that is all. I think that I really, really earned my $60 worth of products here. I got a beautiful hardbound book, a gorgeous set of postcards. That includes this one. 3 pairs of beautiful clip-on earrings, a gorgeous scarf, and then these really cute little bottles. And so, yeah, definitely that was worth every dollar. I am so glad that I purchased this box. I'm going to renew it again next year, or next month. And I hope that you will consider them also, because I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you will like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see the next one. And in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.